Good afternoon. Welcome to this edition of the Afternoon Update. It is the 11th of February. Markets just closed in most commodities. Let's take a look at what happened today. Very bad day for global stock markets. Asian, European, and U.S. stock markets were all down. We're looking right now at the Dow Jones down 348 points. Still has some time to trade. All of the ag markets, ag markets are mostly lower. There's some exceptions. The dollar is lower, and metals as a safe haven is higher. Let's look at cotton. The cotton market in March closed down 48 today at 58.40. When we break that down, the high of 59.03, which was up 17 on the day, took place at 1:45 in the morning. The low of 57.85, and at that point it was down 104, was made at 8 o'clock this morning. So it did manage to trade back from those lows, but still closed down 48. May cotton down 55 on the day on the close. Let's look at March soybeans up 11 at 873 and a quarter. You've got a high of 874 and a quarter. That was made 11:30 this morning. At that point, we were up 12, so we closed very close to the high. The low of 865 was made last night about 9 o'clock, and at that point, the market was down a penny. So most of the day, the entire day, we were up in beans. Corn up a quarter at 360 and a half. The high is 363 and a quarter, and the low is 358 and a half. So at the peak, corn was up 2 3/4. At its low, it was actually down 2. Both of these took place between 8:30 this morning and 9 o'clock. A lot of range right at that 30-minute period, and the market still managed to close up a small amount. Wheat down 3 1/4 in March at 458. The high of 465 3/4. The low of 457 3/4. That high, at the highest point, wheat was up 5. At its lowest point, wheat was down 3. As I said, it closed down 3 1/4. The dollar right now down 39. Crude oil down 77 cents a barrel. Let's look at that. Actually, right now down 89 cents a barrel at 26.56. The low made, and this is the long-term low, was made this morning at 26.22. So we're not very far from that right now. The crude oil market, as I said, at that point, the dollar is down 40. Gold, because it's a safe haven today, along with silver, is up. Gold up $58, silver up 53 cents, and the Dow Jones right now down 360 points. That's it for today. Join us tomorrow morning for our morning update. Have a good evening. Thank you.